In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set aspect ratios in Webflow. Setting aspect ratios is a fundamental skill when designing web layouts, as it helps ensure that images and containers scale properly across different devices and resolutions. Whether you're aiming for a classic square or a cinematic widescreen, mastering this technique will give your design the professional edge it needs. Let's get started right at the point where you want to adjust your aspect ratios. First, you'll want to select the specific image, div, or container that you're planning to work with. This might be part of a gallery, a hero section on your landing page, or perhaps an embedded video frame. By clicking on the element within the Webflow interface, you'll highlight it and get ready to make your adjustments. Once you've selected your element, head over to the Style panel. For those new to Webflow, the Style panel is your toolkit, neatly packed with options to tweak your design elements. From typography and color to spacing and position, it's located on the right-hand side and is where you'll be spending a lot of time fine-tuning your designs. Now scroll down to find the size section. This section controls the dimensions of your element. Aspect ratios come into play here to ensure these dimensions are consistent and aesthetically pleasing no matter where your users view it. Under size, you should see an option labeled aspect ratio. Aspect ratio is essentially the width to height relationship of your element. Depending on your design goals, you might choose among several preset ratios. If you're looking for a perfect square, you'll opt for the 1:1 ratio. For something more cinematic, like a video player or a hero image, 16:9 is a popular choice. Another classic option is the 4:3 ratio, which feels natural and works well for various media types. There's also the 3:2 ratio, ideal for photography and graphic design, providing a balanced composition. But what if your project demands something out of the ordinary? No problem. Webflow allows you to input a custom aspect ratio. For instance, if you're designing a dynamic banner, or perhaps you're aiming for ultra-wide cinematic footage, you might enter a ratio like 21:9. This gives you the flexibility to tailor your design precisely to your vision. Remember, choosing the right aspect ratio isn't just about filling the space. It's about ensuring your visuals communicate effectively and look great across all devices. Once you've set your aspect ratio, take a moment to preview your work in different screen sizes. This step is crucial to ensure your content scales gracefully from mobile devices to larger desktop displays. And there you have it. You've learned how to set and adjust aspect ratios in Webflow, an essential skill that can significantly enhance the aesthetic and functional quality of your web design projects. Thank you for following along, and be sure to explore more tips and tricks to elevate your design journey.